how to solve Samsung internet browser problems on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Samsung internet browser problems on Android phone. First thing you need to do, go to Play Store and then make sure your Samsung internet browser is updated, and that's it. After that, go to settings and then apps, and now apps again and click Samsung internet browser. Just type it and then click on it, and now click permissions, and here give it all of those permissions here, and that's it. Then go back, click storage, clear data. You will lose your data, but that will fix your problems. And that's it. Now go back, try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.